Your dating app's getting banned? Welcome to the club. In this video, I'm going to show you some things that you can do to mitigate this, including how to swipe on the account. I know this sounds very simple, but this can easily be overlooked. Looking human on the account, looking like a real girl is paramount, and you don't understand the amount of detail that you need to put into this. So let me show what I mean. All right, so I've made a few YouTube videos showing how to set up dating apps, showing how to set up dating apps on iPhones, showing the types of funnels you can use. I don't show the type of funnel that we use exactly. To find that, you'll have to go to the Supreme Leaders Empire School, where you'll find the exact funnel we use on top of a whole lot of other stuff. Here you go. You got how to verify, automation, Android emulator method, iPhone method, the jailbreak version, and then the normal iPhone method, the one that we use, and the model avatar, which I'm guessing you probably haven't even thought about. But that is of the utmost importance. I'm guessing you overlooked that and you probably don't even know what I'm talking about. But in this video, we're going to go over the swiping patterns that are very important to make sure that the app thinks you are a real human. Now, they're getting more and more strict. And as they get more and more strict, you need to spend more and more time slowly introducing activity to dating apps. Think of it like Instagram. You can't quickly make an Instagram account and then instantly start DMing 100, 200 people a day. That just doesn't work. Dating apps are the same way, except when you get banned, it's a lot more of a pain in the ass because you have to reset the phone and you need to new everything. So when you get banned on a dating app, it is a fucking pain in the ass. So you want to make sure that you look human. All right, so I recommend spending 2 weeks introducing activity to the account. Now, you're probably thinking to yourself, that's a fucking long time. I'd rather spend 2 weeks setting up an army of just suicide accounts. Yeah, good luck with that. With suicide accounts, if you don't put a lot of effort into creating long-lasting accounts, then the accounts that you're creating aren't lasting long enough for half of these people to see. So it doesn't matter if you match with 3,000 people and then the account dies. By the time 90% of them get to see the match, the account is gone. So it doesn't matter. You're just getting big numbers, stoking your ego, but you're not actually getting any subs on the bottom line. You're not actually getting any subs funneling through. But anyway, that's enough ranting and raving. You can find all of that information on my school. This is about the swipes. All right. So day one, this is after you have warmed up the account. So you spend the first 48 hours warming up the account. That means no swiping, no messaging. Don't add the bio. Don't do nothing. You create the account, no bio. Then you leave it for 48 hours. That's called warming up. Then you come back to it. And then that's when day one starts. So on day one, you're going to do a maximum of 5 to 10 swipes, with 10% of those being left swipes. What do I mean by that? I mean that if you do 10 right swipes, then you want to do at least one left swipe. Why? Because a human, a real girl, guys do, a real girl does not just keep swiping right quickly. Guys do that. So look like a real girl. These apps are not stupid. Thinking that these apps are stupid is going to get you banned, all right? Day two, 10 to 20 total swipes, with 10% of those being left swipes. Day three, 10 to 20. Day four, 30 to 40 total swipes, with 10% of those being left swipes. Same with day five. Day six, you're going to max out the total number of swipes, including 10% of those being left swipes. What do I mean by that? I mean that you're going to swipe as much as you can before a pop-up pops up telling you that you need to purchase gold or premium. That's what I mean by maximum. So you're going to max out the number of swipes, making sure that 10% of those or more are left swipes. Why? Because that's what a girl would do. Then after 7 days, then you're going to purchase gold or premium on the account. Now, if you're using the iPhone method, like I talk about, like I preach about, you want to use gift cards, because the last thing you want to do is be using the same credit card on multiple dating apps, because then they're all just going to get banned. Then after day 7, you purchase gold/premium. And then from day 8 onwards for the next week, you still introduce more matches. The reason I say matches and not swipes is because now you'll be matching from the likes tab. So when you purchase gold or premium, you don't need to swipe right or left on the main page with random people popping up, you can just click on the likes tab, and then those are the people that already like you. So that's what I mean by matches. So after you purchase gold or premium, you're going to click inside the likes tab and you're going to match with 50 people and then swipe left on 5 people. Why? You got it. Then day 9, you're doing the same thing. Then day 10, you're doing 100 matches, with 10% of those being left swipes. So 100 matches in the likes tab, with 10% of those being left swipes, which means you don't want to match with them. And then you'll do the same from days 10 to day 13. And then day 14, you're going to start testing the waters a bit, doing 100 to 200 matches, with 10% of those being left swipes. And then from then on, it is going to max out at 200 matches a day, no more than that. I've heard a lot of people say they're doing 1,000 matches a day. Yeah, that's not going to work. Your account is going to last 2 days. By the time half of those people see the match, the account's going to be dead. So yes, we would like to do bigger numbers, but that is just how it is. So if you want your accounts to stay alive, this is the blueprint that you should use. Screenshot this now, or just join my school and you can download this inside here along with the exact funnel we use, how to verify accounts, etc., etc. But anyway, that is the recommended swiping sequence in order to look maximum human on the dating apps. Now, if what I'm talking about is helpful to you, then I recommend you join my Supreme Leaders Empire community, where there's nearly 90 of us in there and growing, on top of a whole lot of modules, including how to set up proxies, Sims, SMS, Reddit, dating apps, Reels, and then soon will be coming all the hiring and firing SOPs, invoice and banking, etc., etc. I recommend you join now before the price goes up. See in the classroom where it said coming soon. When those are included, when those are finished, the price will be up. And then I'll be getting messages saying, sorry, I was away, I didn't see, my grandma was sick. Doesn't matter. Join now. Heed this warning. I'll see you inside, and then you can take the shortcut to quickly scale your agency to 7 figures without all the bullshit that these other people are telling you. All right? And that's it for the video. So anyway, if you like the video, go smash the like button, smash the subscribe button, and I'll see you inside my school. All right.